everyone. For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can copy and share your LinkedIn profile using your mobile phone. First step, open a web browser on your phone, search for LinkedIn and make sure that you are logged in. Now, you'll see an arrow icon at the right part of your screen. So just press this and you'll have the option to share your LinkedIn profile automatically to your friends. You can also press the copy option, and once you paste it on your search tab, it will redirect you to your LinkedIn profile. Another way of doing this is by scrolling down until you see the contact information. Here you'll see your LinkedIn profile link, so just long press it and press copy link. Once again, you can copy this to other messaging platforms such as Messenger, Gmail, and so on. You can also personalize your LinkedIn profile link by pressing the pencil icon at the right part. Then press your profile URL, and here you'll see the option to edit your custom URL. Here you can start creating unique, more personalized, and more recognizable URL or profile link. And that's all for this tutorial. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.